Okay, here we go. We're ready to make our first test cut on the new router table. We're going to set it up first. So we can lock that in. I'll tell you, these router lifts are probably the best thing invented since sliced bread. Snug that up real good. Okay. Touch the bearing. Sort of okay. Tighten that down. And of course, we're not going to take that much all at once. What I'm going to do is I'm going to crank her down and pass all four boards on all four sides over each progressively higher cut. Okay, well, we got this set up a little bit better this time. We've got our feather board on there and made some minor adjustments. So we're about ready to go now. I'll bring that in a little closer for you. And we'll back up a little bit. Starting to look good. Got a little bit of a profile on there now. Well, there it is, the first job we did on the router table. These are going to be the doors, the drawer covers. I'm sorry. I don't know if everybody knows what this is, but it's a grouting tool that you use to put grout and tile. And you put your grout down and you diagonally like this, you put it into the grooves. Well, I found that this is a great push block. Now I have some self-stick, it's kind of a rubber adhesive that is a lot more, there's a lot more grab. The rubber's softer on the bottom. So I'm going to put that on here, and that'll give me a great push block. So I don't know, I forget how much they cost. It's 9.5 by 4 inches. It's a Grum Rubber grout float, and I picked it up at Home Depot to do my floors down in Florida. So I think that's a great little tool, and it'll save you fingers. All right, well, thanks for watching, and I'm gonna sand these guys down and you know, give them a little coat of urethane to protect them a little bit and bring that grain out a little. This is white oak, leftover scrap material that I had been carrying around. So thanks for watching.